So, pusa kong na-miss. Na-miss niya ako kaysa he is miss me because he going to some other boy sleeping in the house of the boy. Yeah, see? Now, he coming again. How many days? Not here. Then his legs is not good. Not feeling well. Then feeling he's hungry. Yeah, he come back and feeling hungry. What? Hey, you told you hungry again? Huh? You feel hungry? Hmm? Then how many days that you here? Then you told hungry? And you come back here and get food? Why you get there in your boyfriend? Why you get the food? Not here, not to me. Oh, see? What happened to your legs? Hmm? What happened to your legs? Not yet finished? Not yet healed? Why? Your boyfriend will punch your legs. Hey, I'm talking to you. Why are you not listening? Next time you do not go out, huh? Hey, next time you not go out. Understand? Okay. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the vlog. Hey, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye to my vlog.